Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to change the language at the Huawei Y6 in a version of 2018. So first of all, it is very important which symbols I will show you, because if you have a language you don't understand or letters you don't understand, then it is the symbols and the positions are always important and are always the same as in your native language. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to go to the settings. You can find it here, or you can also go to the shortcuts and you will find it here. So then we scroll down until the last point, system. So then we need the fourth point, language and input. So then we need the first point, language. So if we adjust English, actually, we can add another language. It's written in capital letters. Maybe let us choose English. As you choose the language here, English, and then you can choose the dialect you want to have. Maybe you are from New Zealand. Let's take New Zealand. And we will have it in our list now. So, and if you want to change to the English New Zealand, make it to the first language, go like this, and now we have English New Zealand. Then it takes a few seconds, then the whole phone will turn into your language. So it's very important that you swipe it up here. So it's very important that you change the language here also, and then you will hear all the incoming messages again one time with the message tone. Okay, and that's it. You go back, and voila. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a very nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And maybe until next time. Ciao.